Hello everyone, my name is Harshita Bharadwaj, a student of Bachelor's of Business Analytics in Macquarie University. And today my topic is measures of central tendencies. So first of all, we need to know what are central tendencies. Central tendencies are key statistical concepts that help us understand the center or typical value of a data set. They provide insight into the distribution of values and how they cluster around a central value. Today, we will explore three fundamental measures of central tendency: the mean, the arithmetic mean or average, median. The median is the average of two central elements in an even number of data points. Mode. The mode is the type of value that appears most in the dataset among all other types. Mean. The mean or average shines when data is uniformly distributed and lacks extreme outliers as seen in economics for averaging figures like income or prices. Its strength lies in being a core method for various statistical techniques, ensuring smoother data processing, exemplified by calculating the average income of population. However, it's vulnerable to extreme values, especially in small datasets like mean household income skewed by a few high earners. It's best employed when data is normally distributed and outliers aren't expected to heavily sway results, such as in calculating average test scores for a large class. Median. The median proves invaluable when confronting skewed data distributions and when averaging household income with extreme values, offering stability unaffected by outliers. Robust and easy to calculate, it's suitable for datasets with extreme values such as finding median household income in diverse neighborhoods. However, it may oversimplify large datasets and lack precision compared to the mean. Use it for non-symmetrical data distributions or widely dispersed values like calculating median home prices in diverse neighborhoods. Mode. Mode serves well in scenarios with discrete data where the most frequent value holds significance, particularly evident in survey data seeking a general response. Its clarity and applicability across numerical and categorical data make it an essential tool. However, challenges arise with biomodal or multimodal distributions, potentially leading to ambiguity or overlooking dataset variation. To leverage mode effectively, prioritize its use with categorical or discrete data, focusing on the occurrence of the most frequent value. For instance, when analyzing product sales, mode assists in pinpointing the best-selling item by highlighting the predominant purchase choice. Importance in statistics. Summary statistics. Summary statistics provide a concise overview of large data sets, making them easier to comprehend and interpret. By calculating measures of central tendency such as the mean, median, and mode, analysts gain insight into where the data is concentrated. For instance, knowing the central tendency helps us identify the typical value around which the data distribution revolves, providing a clearer understanding of the dataset's characteristics. Interpretability. Central tendency measure offer straightforward and easily understandable insights, making them effective communication tool for both specialized and general audiences. Even individuals without advanced statistical knowledge can grasp the significance of central tendency measures, enhancing the communication of findings across various fields. Comparisons. Central tendency measures serves as benchmarks for comparing different datasets or subset within a dataset. By comparing means between groups, analysts can identify variation in central tendencies, which may reveal underlying patterns or relationships within the data. The comparative analysis aids in understanding the relative distribution of data across different categories or groups. Inference. Central tendency measures are commonly used as estimators for population parameters. For example, sample means are often utilized to estimate population means, allowing statisticians to infer characteristics of entire population based on data collected from samples. The inference facilitates the understanding of broader trends and phenomena within society or populations. Decision making. Central tendency measures play a crucial role in decision making processes across various domains, including business, finance, health, and social sciences. Decision makers rely on average data, such as the average rate of return in finance, to inform investment decisions and strategic planning, highlighting the importance of central tendency measures in guiding decision making processes. Quality control. In quality control processes, central tendency measures are used to assess consistencies and stability in manufacturing process or product properties. Deviation from the expected central tendency may indicate population issues that need to be addressed, helping to ensure product quality and reliability. This application underscores the roles of central tendency measure in maintaining standards and identifying areas for improvement in quality control practices. Let's break down the key measure of central tendency: mean, median, and mode, along with their definition, calculation, and practical application. Mean. The mean is simply the arithmetic average of a set of numbers. To find the mean, we add up all the numbers in the dataset and then divide by the total numbers of numbers. The mean provides a measure of central tendency, making it particularly useful for datasets with symmetric distribution. However, it's important to note that the mean can be heavily influenced by extreme values, also known as outliers. Median. The median represents the middle value in a set of numbers when they are arranged in ascending or descending order. If the number of observation is odd, the median is simply the value at the center position. If the number of observation is even, the median is the average of the two center values. The median is resistant to outliers and skewed distributions, making it a robust measure of central tendency. It accurately represents the middle value of the dataset, providing valuable insight into the data's central tendency. Mode. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in a set of numbers. To find the mode, we simply identify the value with the highest frequency in the dataset. The mode is particularly useful for categorical or nominal data, as well as for identifying the most common values in a dataset. However, it's important to note that the mode may not be unique or may not exist in every dataset. Understanding these measures of central tendency, mean, median, and mode empowers us to analyze data sets effectively and draw meaningful insights about the distribution and characteristics of the data. Let's dive into example illustrating how we can calculate the mean, median, and mode for different data sets. Imagine teacher at a local high school interviewed by your student's height. You measure 10 randomly selected students in centimeters. Now, let's calculate the mean, median, and mode. To find the mean, we add up all the heights and then divide by the total number of students. Median. Arranging the data in ascending order, since we have an even number of values, we take the average of middle two values and divide by 2. Mode. The most frequently occurring height, which is 175 centimeter. Teacher analyzing the test scores of your class. There are scores of 15 students out of 100. Now, Let's find the mean, median, and mode. To calculate the mean, we add up all the scores and divide by the total number of students. To calculate the median, we will arrange the scores in ascending order. Since we have an odd number of values, then the median is the middle value, which is 92. Mode. The most frequently occurring score is 95, which appear 4 times, making it the mode. To wrap up, measures of central tendency serve as a fundamental tools in statistics, offering invaluable insights into the central or typical value of datasets. The mean, median, and mode each provide unique perspectives on data distribution, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Despite their limitation, these measures play a vital role in summarizing complex data, facilitating interpretation, comparison, and decision-making across diverse sectors. Analysts rely on measures of central tendency to draw meaningful inferences, make informed decisions, and extract actionable insights from data. Whether it's estimating population parameters, guiding investment strategies, or ensuring product quality, these measures are indispensable for statistical knowledge and data mastery. By understanding and utilizing measure of central tendency effectively, researchers can navigate data complexities with confidence and precision, ultimately advancing our understanding of the world around us. In essence, measures of central tendency are not just statistical concepts, they are the cornerstones of data analysis, enabling us to uncover patterns, make predictions, and drive progress in various fields of study and practice. Thank you and have a good day.